This will show you how to trace to find points on a curve on a TI-nspire, and also how to make the calculator keep those points, like drop a dot on screen with coordinates. So you get the graph you want. This is one we used in calculus. And go to Menu, because it's an Inspire, and it's Trace. The first one, Graph Trace, which is really the only thing in this menu I ever use. It starts you out at the center of your screen, which is often 0, 0, but if you move someplace else it might not be. And as you arrow with the left and right keys, it will move you 2 points along the curve, telling you in the bottom corner what the coordinates of those points are. Now, one thing to know about it is it doesn't count by ones. It goes, in this case, by 0.3. You can change that, I think, with the trace step, but I never do. When I get down, the 3 points we wanted had x-coordinates of 0 and 1 and negative 1.5. So when I get to 0, you can see the calculator pops up that that's a 0 of the function, that the y-coordinate is 0 there, which is nice. But when I move away, it doesn't keep that information. So to keep that information, I'll press Enter while the cursor is there, and it will put a black dot and the coordinates of that dot. And as I move away, it stays, which is really handy. The next one I wanted was negative 1.5, which it also jumped to because it happens to be the minimum. Also, it's a multiple of 0.3. And Enter. And the other one was x equals 1. 0.3, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2. It skipped right past 1. That's also an easy fix. Just press the number 1. It opens up a dialog box. You can type a longer number there if you want to, whatever. But just type the number 1 and then hit Enter. And it will jump to that point without dropping a dot. If I want to drop the dot, then I hit Enter, and there's the dot to stay. So if all that you need is to get some points, this is all it takes to get it.